Only one trick-or-treater comes by my house every year, and that's a ghost. How are you guys doing today, man? Was it Wednesday? It's a little bit windy out here, and it sure feels like fall for once. Everything's all crusty. I don't have any leaves. I don't have any trees in my front yard. All the leaves come from that old oak tree there, and all these trees here. And then there's the maple tree here. I planted a willow in the front yard, and that'll never grow up. It'll be a lot. I'll be gone long before that. Yeah, they're talking snow and thunderstorms and rain, and oh my gosh. This is my little sitting area here on deck. When the weather's nice, you know, you can sit. The awning only goes out halfway. But just enjoying the fall, the calm weathers. This is the first rain storm. They won't be here till 4 o'clock, but it's the first chance Kansas gets any rain. Just sitting here watching some of my favorite westerns, and I like some of them Canada derelicts like Pug One, and then I do a lot of Bonanza and Wagon Train. Check out some farmers that stuff, and then other stuff I get into, you know. Well, I'll get on out of here. You guys have a super fine one out here. This is Bo, and you know who, and you know where.